Urinary Gout Support is a great product. It has quite a few ingredients, and I'm going to tell you about what they do in just a moment. So we're looking at a product that supports gout. Now, what is gout? So a buildup of uric acid in the body will cause gout to occur, and uric acid forms little crystals, and crystals of uric acid seem to like to generally congregate around joints, and we often see this in the large joints of the feet and the fingers. So we'll see inflammation, so heat, swelling, and a lot of pain around the joint. Now you imagine having little sharp crystals inside your joint. Every time you move that joint, it's going to be like needles inside the joint, and that's what gout feels like for people who suffer from that. Generally it happens because they have an acidic body, and in the acidic situation we will develop these little crystals. So this particular product will support that. The reason it supports it is because it has some terrific ingredients. So we've got garlic, and garlic is an antibiotic, so it's going to stop any infection, but it's also good for reducing uric acid. So that's one aspect of this product. The next one is wormwood, and wormwood is traditionally a herb that's used to kill bacteria. So we're going to be using this product not only for the gout symptoms, but also sometimes people who have gout problems also have problems with urinary tract infections. It kind of goes together, and so this product can be used for both. And so the killing of the bacteria is going to be great in that wormwood. Then we've got celery. Celery is the master gout and urinary tract herb. So the celery seeds are alkalizing, and they're also a diuretic, and diuretics help to eliminate fluids out of the body. Celery seems to have a wonderful protectiveness against gout too, so someone who's prone to gout might want to take this ongoingly to protect themselves from getting gout again. Wild cherry is also in here, and that is also anti-inflammatory and is also traditionally used for gout or any inflammatory disease in the body. So it can be used for arthritis or back pain or fibromyalgia or any of those other inflammatory disorders. Cranberry is for urinary tract infection, so we're going to support this whole urinary system, because this gout tends to come because of this build-up of acidity, and it's usually caused by problems with the urinary system. Now we've got some minerals in here, so zinc. Zinc is really important for repairing tissues in the mucous membranes, and the urinary system is a mucous membrane, but also in the joint tissues, synovial fluids in the joint tissue are also affected by zinc. So we need lots of zinc for repairing all that damage that was caused by the gout and any damage caused by a urinary tract infection. We've also got male reproductive systems also need a lot of zinc for maintenance, so bearing in mind that most patients or clients who will get gout are often men, and we don't really know why this affects more men than women, but it does, and so extra zinc in there for male reproductive health. Magnesium is a relaxant of tissues, so when we have urinary tract infection, we might have the inflammation of the tissues causes difficult urination, and so this is going to help relax those tissues and allow for easier urination. And we have potassium in here because potassium is excreted in urine, and if we've had a urinary tract infection, often people are drinking more fluid to try and flush that out, urinating a lot more, and so we're going to lose a little bit of potassium there. So potassium's added just to make up for that little bit of loss. So really nicely thought out product, useful for both urinary tract infections and gout, or just a general prophylactic against gout. So have fun recommending this one.